everyone. It is a pleasure being here with you all today. I'm Jamie Parissi, and I'm a member of the Bose Automotive team based in our Framingham, Massachusetts headquarters. I lead a global team responsible for B2B communications planning and go-to-market collaboration with our OEM partners. It is truly humbling to be here with you today, and I want to thank the Women Automotive Network for providing this platform for us to connect and share our experiences with each other. So let's get right to it. Let's talk about sound in electric vehicles. At Bose, we believe that hearing is the most powerful of all the human senses. Better sound can inspire you, empower you, connect you. It's the voice of a loved one whispering to you, the energy of a bustling city, the crashing of waves, or screaming fans at Fenway. I'm sorry, I just had to include a Boston reference somewhere. Or it's the thrill of sitting front row at your favorite live music performance, which many of us are finally able to enjoy again after such a long absence. Sound is a powerful sensation, and it influences how we perceive our surroundings, and it allows us to connect to the world. For over 50 years, Bose has been researching psychoacoustics and using the power of sound to create astonishing listening experiences that our customers truly love. And as part of the automotive team at Bose, great sound in the car is our passion. And it's through collaboration with our OEM partners that we define the environment they want to deliver to their consumers. And with the move to electric vehicles, that environment is changing, but it's not a new challenge for us. Throughout the course of our company's history, we've brought breakthrough products to market that benefited from our vast portfolio of intellectual property, fueled by a deep knowledge of how to take electrical power and convert it to precise mechanical motion. Bose, for its entire corporate existence, has been an expert in the intelligent manipulation of electrical power. In fact, our earliest products had nothing to do with acoustics. They were power processors used in industrial and military applications. The knowledge of the circuitry, controls, and techniques used to harness and manage electrical power was built into Bose Corporation from the day that MIT professor Dr. Amar Bose started the company in 1964. Whether it's a suspension system for a car, a truck seat that can actively cancel road vibration, or a speaker that can vibrate air to make sound, the ability to manage power is deeply rooted in who we are. Modern electric vehicles have been in the market for more than a decade. In fact, we've installed more premium branded audio systems in electric vehicles than any other supplier. So let's talk about the Nissan Leaf, one of the first mass-produced pure EVs, and the Chevrolet Volt, the first easily accessible plug-in hybrid. These vehicles were equipped with Bose Energy Efficient series. These systems were carefully designed to deliver a trademark Bose listening experience while occupying 30% less space, contributing 40% less mass, and consuming 50% less electrical power than their conventional branded audio equivalents. So in an industry where bragging about how many watts is the norm, we were proud to illustrate how few watts we require. Behind the scenes and invisibly to the consumer, all of the technology we pioneered with the energy efficient series of products has made its way into broader use across the Bose Automotive portfolio. Numerous vehicles now benefit from the combination of amplifier power management, proprietary system integration, and lightweight, highly efficient speakers. This has become an integral part of our philosophy and approach to system design. And we're excited about the future of electric vehicles and the role that sound plays in these experiences. This framework you see here enables us to keep consumers at the core of what we do. And it's a powerful lens that we use that lets us focus on building memorable experiences. And it's through this healthy obsession that drives us to deliver moments that inspire and astonish. Always dream of things that are better and think about ways to reach those things. This addiction to innovation that began with Dr. Bose, our visionary founder, is in our DNA and it permeates our company. And that starts with immersive audio. Immersive audio is at the heart of what we do. When you get into a car, we want you to turn the volume up and enjoy your ride listening to your favorite song. But as we start to think about how consumers are using their cars, interacting with them, sharing them, there are experiences we can deliver to personalize the sound so you hear what you want when you want. And we know consumers desire this level of personalization and control, regardless of the engine type. So let's walk through 3 real-life scenarios that I'm sure we've all faced at one time or another. You set out on a road trip with your family this summer, and your daughter's in the backseat watching a movie on her tablet. You want to keep listening to your Discover Weekly playlist on Spotify and not disturb her watching Sing 2. So you select seat-centric rear seat attenuation, removing the sound from the rear of the vehicle and helping you maintain a great listening experience in the front seat. A little while later, you need to get on a really quick conference call for work, something you just can't miss. Like many of us lately, the car has become an extension of our office, but you don't want to disturb everyone else in the car. Seat-centric call placement allows you to route the call so only you hear it, while your partner can keep listening to a podcast and your daughter can nap in the back. After several hours in the car, your partner complains of a headache, and instead of asking you to turn the music down in the entire cabin, he decides to adjust the volume in his seat to a more comfortable level, letting you and your daughter continue listening away until you arrive at your destination for a relaxing week away. Hearing what you want, when you want, and offering a new level of control for all passengers in the car so you can personalize the experience is something consumers desire in their future vehicles. And for me as a working professional who wears many hats and is constantly on the go and trying to maximize my time, I cannot wait until these experiences are in my next vehicle. It definitely won't stop my daughter from trying to participate in a call from the back seat, but at least it may deter her if she doesn't know what's happening. But going back to EVs for a moment, I spoke earlier about how sound can connect you, and more specifically, how it can connect you to your car and the thrill of driving. One observation made by EV owners is that the absence of engine noise can leave them feeling disconnected, particularly under hard acceleration, which historically was accompanied by engine noise. With our electric vehicle sound enhancement, we can give car makers' engineers the ability to design acceleration sounds that complement different driving modes, helping to restore some excitement and connection with the driving experience. Perhaps the best example of this in the market currently is the Watts to Freedom mode in the GMC Hummer EV Supertruck, where sound is used to heighten the anticipation of a 3-second 0 to 60 launch. Like the whine of a jet engine reaching full thrust or the clackety-clack of a roller coaster cresting that first big hill, sound becomes a critical part of the anticipation. Another challenge of removing the internal combustion engine, you create a situation where undue attention can be called to the presence of road noise. We help OEMs address this problem with Quietcomfort road noise control, which uses a sound system to actively reduce noise in the cabin. The result is a quieter, more serene ride, which impacts perceived vehicle quality and driving enjoyment. This solution provides the benefit without the weight, cost, and complexity of traditional mechanical countermeasures, allowing lighter, less complicated, less expensive vehicles with fewer design compromises for the sake of interior noise levels. To summarize, we're true believers in the power of sound, and the emergence of electric vehicles is something we've been a part of for more than a decade now, capitalizing on Bose's history of intelligent usage of electrical power. But the biggest takeaway here is that we're about creating amazing listening experiences in any kind of vehicle. So whether it's powered by electricity, fossil fuel, or something we haven't even thought of yet, we're confident that we're well positioned to help people enjoy their ride, maximize their time, personalize their experience, and connect with others. Our knowledge and history of experience enables us to continue to be a leader in delivering exceptional experiences to consumers, and we're excited for the road ahead. Thank you very much.